We all know that we're drowning in AI content at the moment, and the reality is trust is declining faster than ever because we see so much AI generated slop all over the internet. And even if you've written it yourself, there's this assumption from people that, geez, has Adam actually written this himself? Has AI done it all? Has AI had a hand in it? Does that make it less authentic? And so there's all this confusion and lack of trust emanating from this AI landscape that we all live in now. So AI definitely has its benefits, but of course, if trust is free falling, what do we need to do about it? Well, I have always said that AI is excellent because it frees the human up to do the high value relationship trust-based stuff. So rather than having people reach the conclusion that AI has written your content or done this, and even if it's not true, and even if it is true, it doesn't matter, but if they're thinking that and they associate that with, I don't trust this person as much because of it, well, we need to look at ways to combat that and elevate our trust in an online environment or in a business environment where trust is paramount. So a couple of things that I have been doubling down on myself. First is online workshops. So when people turn up to a Zoom call and you are there live and answering their questions, it's obviously you, and you have that opportunity to spend that time with your attendees building a connection and building trust. So that's one, online workshops. The second thing is in-person conferences or workshops, but when you're in literally the same room with your attendees and you can shake hands and you can see each other as a person, that is obviously not AI, and you can develop a much deeper connection there. So I'm doubling down particularly hard on in-person workshops and conferences. So I'm doing more speaking at events and I'm running more one-day workshops. Even though the topic is AI, the delivery is in-person analog. All right, so that's two things. The third area to combat the decline in trust because of AI is video, and especially YouTube videos. Not that it matters where you publish it, but YouTube's a very logical place, because even though there are things that can create robot versions of you, most people at the moment can tell if it's actually you. And YouTube or video gives you the opportunity to talk directly to someone through a video. So this is me talking to you, and it might mean I could be reading an AI script, I could have had AI do all the video descriptions and all of these other things, and that doesn't matter, but because it's me talking to you right now. And the more video that you can do and the more connection you can have with your eyes looking at the camera, your voice that people hear, and they can see your human body language. These are the things that build connection. So online workshops, in-person conferences, and YouTube videos is going to elevate your trust in an AI-driven online world where trust is just free-falling. So do those three things and you should stand out from your competition and allow your customers and your clients to feel a strong personal connection and an increased level of trust. All right, hope that helps. See ya.